Hello, hello, teacher Marcelo here. Today I'm going to practice on how can to build an our phrase in English and to discover stress in the world. Okay, stress in the word. All words in English, all phrases in English, automatically I'm going to create this stress emphasis about that, right? Example, we have some useful phrases in English in here when you can practice and repeat after me. Então, nós vamos aprender aqui as frases, frases usáveis e muito úteis, que nós vamos descobrir que todas as frases têm o stress, que é a parte da ênfase dentro da frase, tá ok? Então, nós temos aqui, ó, a phrase, pronunciation, e você veja que no meio da pronunciation nós temos um pouco de alguns palavras que eu quis destacar, que é o negrito, in bold here, ok? Eu fui falar aqui negrito e acabei esquecendo em português, in bold, que é em inglês é negrito. E aqui nós temos o destaque aonde a frase ou a palavra que se destaca. Eu não vou falar a tradução aqui agora, tá ok? Mas depois do vídeo você pode clicar, vou deixar um link aqui embaixo, para que você pode baixar esse material e fazer esta prática. Ou enquanto você está assistindo, ou depois na sua casa você pode fazer esse treinamento. Vamos lá então. Como que consiste isso daqui? Phrase, ready phrase, as frases prontas, pronunciation, and stress. Discovering what is the stress. Descobrindo onde que está o stress of the phrase, daquela frase, ok? Então, toda frase tem o ênfase e o stress. Nós vamos descobrir. Vamos lá, então. This practice and the model to use and to learn in English is very good because let improving us in different skills in English. Example, reading, because I'm reading now. Listening, because I'm listening in future to some of it in English. Speaking, because I needed to speak after that, because I'm going to listen after it, we can to repeat what phrases when the people are saying to us. It's very important. All English skills when are going to be better. And they're getting better now because we're practicing every time and this special and the good model, alright? Let's go. Então, nós vamos estar melhorando a nossa forma do inglês com a prática. Let's go? Aqui. Pode ver que tem na frente ali um número, então eu vou seguir aquele número. Ó. Number two, ok? Porque a planilha aqui já deu esse número. Então, number two. Olha a pronúncia. A pronunciation, a pronúncia. A forma escrita correta e a pronúncia. Você já pode ver que nós já destacamos aqui o stress. Olha ali o stress. Então, o stress já está nos dizendo aonde que está o stress. Vamos lá, então? Olhamos a frase pronta. Can I have a bill, please? Você viu que o bill foi destacado? Então, can I have the bill, please? A conta, né? Can I have the bill, please? Ok? Repeat again. Can I have the bill, please? Agora você já sabe pedir a conta no restaurant. Oh, can I have the bill, please? Então o bill tem que aparecer. Por que que tem alguns ênfases? Porque a mesma estrutura da frase nós vamos usar supostamente para pedir, como estamos aqui pedindo a conta, vamos pedir outras coisas e a coisa que está sendo pedida é o que vai destacar. A frase vai ser o mesmo som. Aí nós vamos para a pronunciation, que é a pronúncia, onde que temos que ter a entonação. First, interrogative. Tan, 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 tan. Can I have the bill, please? Write it. Okay. Next, this here. I wanted to put in here the color, change the color here. Yeah. Number three. Number three. I just change the color here. Where's the near? Where's the near? Where's the near? Oh, where's the nearest ATM? Where the nearest ATM? ATM é o caixa rápido, né, do banco. Então, where's the nearest ATM? Repeat again. Where's the nearest ATM? Right? Repeat, please. Don't forget about that. After in our class, when we can translate the phrase because we needed to understand perfectly the meanings, right about that. And number four in here, number four, I want to change the color here, another color because it's totally it's simple and the common word in here, in the common question. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Pay attention about that in here. Let's change. Pay attention in here. That part, when it can English, speak English, write it. Now we're stressing here. Next, number five. I'm learning in English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Eu estou aprendendo inglês. Question 4. Do you speak English? I'm learning English. Ok? Aqui já veio pergunta e resposta se quiser. Number 6. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Ok? Please speak slowly. Number 7. Could you write down? Could you write it down? Could you write it down? Could you write it down? Okay, write it down. It's very difficult to understand when I'm starting to learn in English because several words are similar one by another word. Example, right, right. In some moment, and the people can confuse in the white, the color, branco. 8. What does this mean? What does this mean? O que significa? What does this mean? Okay. Number 9. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Pay attention to pronunciate. Number 10. I don't know. Or I don't know. I don't know. Pay attention when the final it's the stress. No. 11 here. How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? When you are not saying about the word specifically when it can to describe the some object or the some situation, but you don't remember perfectly how to say that in English. You when it can to another person is speaking to you and you are not understanding some words when you can stop to excuse me please, but and how do you say this in English? Então você para no meio e fala assim, como que fala isso aqui em inglês? Você está aprendendo, você está buscando vocabulário. By reason, which vocabulary is more important in English because we needed to have a lot of vocabularies in English to build it better in our phrases in English. Então, muito bom ter muito vocabulário. Essa fase, então, você pode dizer, how do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? Number 12 in here. I need some water. I need some water. I need some water. When we have two words, we can stress in this phrase. I need some water. I need some water. Okay, that came to practicing. 13. Um, can I, it's about that. Can I use the restroom? Can I use the restroom? Eu posso usar o banheiro? Can I use the restroom? When they stress in here, the restroom. 14. I'm looking for 10, 10, 10. I'm looking for the house. I'm looking for the shoe. I'm looking for someone, something. Right? In here, how far is it? How far is it? How far is it? When they can good about that. Number 16. What time do you close? What time do you close? Time and close. What time do you close? Right here, when you can translate it to Portuguese after the class. And do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? No place, and they have Wi-Fi. Several houses, many houses, so the people don't get it to live no Wi-Fi now, because all things when they came to use in here through internet. In some moment, as an example where I live in here in my city, during the journey and the road between two cities, the first city until I arrive at the end of my city, when I have the space space because I live more or less in countryside. During the space, don't have Wi-Fi there. It's very difficult because in some times when I try to talk with someone, want to solve with something through the cell phone, and no Wi-Fi complicating our lives because we needed to communicate or to solve or to send some message. Um, Whatever about that, when I try and to receive automatically, immediately about some messages or the good news in some moments in our journey, driving on the road that have Wi-Fi there, because now the people use constantly the Wi-Fi. 18 here. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Pay attention about the word feel. I don't feel. Translating to Portuguese. What it means this word feel, please. Because we need to understanding completely 80%, 90%, more or less. Uh, since more or less 75% is good in English. You pay attention because I'm mixed in here between Portuguese and English to practice your listening skill in English, right? 19 have I'm tired. I'm tired. Pay attention, tired, tired. When I can to put this word in here, I'm tired. 20, let's go, let's go. 21, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Okay? Repeat this practice and this method until when I can to practice more. Repeat again, repeat again, repeat again. When I can to download about this material and I can translate into Portuguese. You can translate it in Portuguese to understand better. 80, 90, 100% the meanings of the word and the phrases during the week. 1, 2, 3 days when I can to practice, repeat, making this technique called shadowing. It's a good method because during our English journey here, let's to destravar nosso speaking, destravar o teu inglês. When you can to make this until you feel in your side or inside you, destravando o teu inglês. Because make mistake, all people can make this. So it's very important to make and to communicate and to speak in English. I know that in your journey to learn English, when you speak English, you are going to find several people don't have the bad words about that. Oh, that pronunciation is wrong, which story is trained, etc., etc., etc. But continue studying and practicing English, okay? If you don't have the make contact to me when you can call it about this video, after to watch the some now video here, when you can download this material and subscribe about this YouTube channel and follow us to learn when to receive more tips in English and improving our English because the time of destravando English in English we can to practice more and to achieve your goals when you want. Okay, see you. Take care.